Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on TikTok. So first of all you need to open your TikTok, then go to your profile and you can see here this is my draft section and I have one draft. Just all you need to do is just click on it or press in it and you can see here a delete option. So click on it and just click on delete again. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can delete drafts on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.